You have been facing this kind of problem on your Chrome browser, like you want to upload file, PDF or images, like maybe you are going for interview, you need to submit your applications online, then you need to upload through your phone and you have this kind of problem right here. So I have the solution for you. Yeah, this is the solution. Just need to go and do this on your phone. So watch the video carefully and make sure you follow the instruction. Then if actually you find this useful, please don't forget to share with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to follow this page if you find it useful. And don't forget to comment down below if you need any more support regarding tech. Whatever you want me to do for you on tech, check this page. You're going to see a lot of solutions right there. The best thing is follow my page on YouTube. I'm part of the community because I'm going to be doing a lot of seminars for free on that my YouTube page very soon. Let me upload to my Chrome browser, and you're going to see, if you click on the image like this, you can see it down here, like it says unable to, you can see it, unable to upload due to previous memory. So okay guys, so I'm going to show you the solution. Stay in touch and see just in a minute. What you need to do if you want to solve this problem for you to just go to your settings. So you're going to type developer in your search bar. So you're going to search developer. Oh, come on. In many occasions, things like this will happen to you. If you type developer to your search bar like this, it will say that no result found. Don't worry. Don't worry. All you need to do is to just like go back and go to your about phone or anywhere that you are going to see your own phone build number. So this is my own phone build number right here. Then you're going to tap it in 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is going to pop up your security lock like this. Then you're going to press your security lock and it's going to open. You can see it will tell you that you are now a developer. So then you're going to go back. So let's go back to our settings like that. When you type that developer to your settings again, then you can see it has brought it. Then you're going to click on it. So by clicking on it, so you are going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So we are looking for apps. So immediately you reach apps. So let's move down, let's move down. So you look for apps. So okay, this is apps. So you look for apps like this. So you're going to see under your application there is this thing that is called don't keep activities, destroy every activity as soon as the user leave. So you are going to click on the button like this, just click on that. So immediately you click on it, so all you need to do is to just go back. So if you like, you can off your developer. If you like, you can just leave it. So let's go back to the browser and re-upload. So let's go back to the browser to re-upload. Okay, I'm now inside the browser. So let's try that again. So let's try that again. Click on image. Guys, hope you can see it's now uploading. Hope you can see it's now uploading. Success to a level that you want to upload your CV online, do a lot of things, and you have this kind of problem. So guys, nice seeing you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this page if you are a first-time viewer. And you have been viewing this page before, if you are my followers before, shout out to you. Don't just forget to share this video with your loved ones. Love you guys. Bye bye for now.